Okay, now we're in Marshall and we're going to check out a brand new automatic system here up on the right. Google and Waze, it's called Pinecrest Self-Service Car Wash, but there's like no sign of anything over here. IQ 2.0 Genius Series Soft Touch. This replaced an i5000.
Welcome to purchase a car wash.
Recently.
Make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Okay. So yeah, there we go. There's a look at the machine. So all you have for wash options are the 6 for basic, 8 for deluxe, 10 for premium, and the 12 for the ultimate. And we will do the 12. I'm actually gonna check to see if I have enough cash for that.
Thank you for your purchase.
There it goes.
To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
I bet that scares some people. Okay, move my phone.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
Let me get straightened up
Drive
here.
forward.
No undercarriage, interesting.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
That's like loud.
Please drive forward. Please car in park.
I get it.
Car in park.
Those dryers look brand new as well. So now I gotta see a newer D&S system 2.0 Genius Series. I wonder if there's a difference with that. Okay, I got Tri-Foam. It's like white foam actually. It's funny because like how many times, it's like out of all the times I've called this stuff Tri-Foam and like it's not actually tri-colored foam. Another coating of the trifoam? Well, I see purple and yellow in this one. Stops on the car like that. I guess that's supposed to be wax. I almost wanted to say a third pass of trifoam. This is a longer wash cycle than I thought. Interesting. This stuff actually smells quite nice. Thank you for flipping my mirror back. Still not over yet? My goodness. The wash looks like it was very thorough. So that's good. And it's still not over yet?
Thank you. Exit slowly. Thank you. Exit slowly.
Put the bitch on top of that dryer. And the machine's parking itself. Oh gosh. I thought I was gonna slam into the wall for a second. What's it doing? So yeah, I got your Premier dryers. Doing pretty good. Well, for the most part anyway. But that wash was pretty solid. So yeah, there is the machine here. And they got a whole bunch of manual bays over here. Short ones and even some tall ones and some vacuums down at this end. So is this how you get out of here? That's pretty weird. I guess I can go back out the way I came in. But yeah, that was the Pinecrest, well, quote unquote, self-service car wash here in Marshall, Texas. And I hope you all enjoyed that video. That'll be it for this car wash spree. Thank you all for watching. That'll be it.